Alright, what's going on, everyone? Got a 2025 Toyota Camry key fob, and I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery today. So flip it over, you have a sliding switch right here, slide it to the left, hold it down, and then pull out the emergency key. Okay, this just locks it. Now, if you look inside here, there's a slot right here in the center. Okay, it's a vertical slot. Stick a screwdriver in here. It won't go very far, but this is so you can stick it in here and give it a twist, and this cracks the remote open like this. This prevents you from damaging the remote by, attacking it from the side. And when you do this, you want to do it with the buttons facing down, or all this can actually come falling out. So we don't want that to happen. With these new remotes, what I want to do is they have these new big batteries, which is good. So these batteries will last a really long time. Just come over here and just pry it up just like this, and then we can take it out and replace it. I'll tell you what size the battery is. Battery size is a CR2450, positive sign facing out towards us. You want to put it in just like this, okay? These new ones are a little trickier to put in. Put it in from the side here like this, okay? Now, if you need a battery, you can check the description box. I have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up the correct size if you want to get one. Get the back half of the remote. Start at the top and work your way down. You should click and pop. It's all back together. Emergency key goes in. If it stays in and locks, you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. And if it was, appreciate it. The like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. Hope to see you again in another video.